In early summer 2025, my family and I set off on a journey of discovery and adventure to Switzerland, travelling through France. We left the cloudy UK on a journey of 3 hours, then 6 hours to Morges and later Lausanne and Interlaken to taste the Swiss lifestyle.
Going up in the mountains, guys. So you can probably walk into town, we don't even have to move. We're here, guys! We are here.
So this is our setup here in the van, the tent here. There's some British, and the site is pretty large with many different vehicles. There's Swiss and German vehicles mainly. Lots of motorhomes, a few camper vans, a few transporters around. We have a 6-wheeled military truck. He's left today. Early start for him. This guy is a retro Swiss vehicle. We've got some retro caravans as well. They cut the grass very frequently. Great facilities. About €50 a night, maybe 45 at the high end of the prices, but we've got access to a swimming pool and a restaurant. It's a lovely location right on Lake Geneva, TCS Morges. So I think the Swiss are pretty well off. They've got really good facilities everywhere, and a lovely pub, trucks, sports facility we're staying right next to, and they've automated the grass cutters here. That's a busy grass cutter. Swiss cheese, Jack? Really good selection of meat, fish, kebabs, every kind of meat, pizzas, everything.
Oh, look, guys.
Octopus.
Octopus leg. Or tentacles.
I've never seen that.
voiture, il y a des gens, c'est comme ça, ils ont des transports. Wait till we get there, Jack. Just wait till we get there. We're going to get off in a minute.
La moitié. C'est 15 francs et 6 francs. 20 francs pour le c'est la sortie la plus chère que j'ai, mais je trouve que entre 50 francs et 20 francs de travail.
Right next to a train track. What would
They go and play at the park.
Just have like little flats.
When you go to a city, you have to live in a flat.
The same place.
Arrivons Lausanne. We have arrived in Lausanne.
You alright doing it? Still a bit careful.
Just hold them, guys.
we just wait 2 seconds just so I can get back?
We need the tickets to get out. The station presumably works like Britain. I think it'd be this way. It's this way. Tuesday's been a lot busier than Monday. Monday was certainly a day off for the shops and many of the businesses. So, and we've come into the busy Lausanne. So we're finding a very busy city here already, just arriving. Yeah, got that. It's fine.
This is already a mountain. Already a mountain. No, a mountain. What? This is already a mountain. How is that
Oh, what?
Right, the centre's that way by the looks of it.
The old town is actually up here.
That way?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
Okay. Wow, look at the station.
Guys, you okay?
Now we'll be our way back, so now into the city. Now we're coming into the old part of the town and the place. Old buildings, historic part of Lausanne. Matilda's very happy with her miniature Tic Tacs. Home of the pen, the fountain pen, finely crafted fountain pens, 370, 660. Are you after a pen, Jack? They're expensive, Jack. How much is that one?
75 euros.
Right, put it down then.
75.
Viel Spaß wünsche ich als erstes mit dem Fleur Wasch und